Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be attempting the PSAT October 14, 2015 No Calculator section. So let's get started, but before that let me start the 25-minute timer. So our first problem is, what is the value of x in the equation above? So this is pretty simple. You can start off by finding the LCM of 6 and 12. So you'll get 10 over 12x plus 7 is equal to 12 minus 5 over 12x. So take 512 to the other side, you get 10 over 12x plus 5 over 12 is equal to, and then you can take 7 to the other side, equal to 12 minus 7. Now you add these, you get 15 by 12. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 over 1 times 12 over 15. And you can cross these out. You get 12 by 3. So your answer is A. Next question. Okay, so this has to do with square roots. So a simple way to solve this, you can take 72 to the other side. So 2x squared is equal to 72. Since it's negative here, it becomes positive there. So then now what you can do is you can take, since it's multiplication here too, take it to the other side. You divide it, and 72 by 2 is 36. So now that we know that x can be minus 6 or positive 6. So our answer is D. All right, next question. So during the file transfer, a computer sends on an average 340 kilobytes of data per second. A file has size of 1.2 megabytes. Which function can be used to estimate how many kilobytes remain to be sent after t seconds? So this is pretty simple. This is written in slope-intercept form, but a simple way we can do this is we're converting 1 megabyte into kilobytes, since we have kilobytes here. Now, 340 kilobytes of data per second, and since we need it to come to 0, we're going to have minus 340t. So we know that B, C, and D are not our answers. But say another thing is 1.2 times 1,000 to convert into kilobytes, that's equal to 1,200. So 1,200 minus 340t, our answer is A. Next question. So which of the following is equivalent to the expression x squared y plus x plus 2x y plus 2? So here you want to factor in groups. So here's my suggestion. So x squared y plus x, this is 1, okay, plus 2xy plus 2. You're factoring groups, okay? So when you're factoring in groups, here's what you want to do. So first, let's factor this one. So if you have x squared y plus x, we can make this into xy plus 1, because we also have this one, right? So we want to make sure, since there's another xy here, we can factor for xy. And since there's another x here too, we can make this a 1. So again, multiply. We can put x here, because this is a square here, and we can make this 2. Since there's a 1 here, we can get 2. Now it matches with option C, and just to confirm, if we multiply, we get x squared y plus 2xy plus x plus 2. Ooh, there's your answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. Ooh, this is a really easy question. So here what we're going to do is, I know a lot of you guys want to just straight up go into multiplying, but I suggest you take 3 to the other side. So this will be equal to 5x minus 6 is less than 3x. This is much easier. So minus 6 is less than, take 5x to the other side, 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 2x. Just not to get confused, minus 2x is greater than minus 6, and x is less than 3. So I know you guys would say it's C, right? That's actually wrong. We need a solution that is less than 3. So our answer is D, since D is the only one that is less than 3. Next question. So, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So here's simple, you're just simplifying it. So x squared minus x minus 3x plus 3 minus 8. So you can further simplify this. So x squared minus 4x minus 5. Oh, that's not an answer option, but just wait. We can factor this. So we know there is x on both sides. It's a minus, but so that means we definitely have a minus and a plus. So common factor for 4 and 5. So we need two numbers that multiply to 4 and add up to 5, and that is 4 and 1. So we can do that, but that is actually wrong. We can take 5 and 1. Minus 5 plus 1 is 4, so we can put 5 here. And then minus 5, we can put 1 here, since 4 and 1 will work. So our answer is C. Next question. This is a little confusing for some of you guys. So we know that one of our points is 0, comma, negative 3, comma, 0. And this is 2, comma, 0. And this is 0, comma, 0. So we're basically factoring these. This would become a positive 3. This would just stay as 0, and this would stay as 2. But you would write this as x plus 3, this would be x, and this would be x minus 2. So this is minus 2, since it's positive here. Once you have all these, we know that this is even because it lies at the origin. This is odd because of the x-intercepts, both of these. So because of that, we know there will be an x squared. And when we're factoring this, we will get an x plus 3, x minus 2, and we can eliminate d and b from that. And since they're even in odds, so our answer will be C. Next question. Okay, so there might be other ways to solve this, but the easiest way that I find is to simply substitute values. So x is 2, 4 is equal to half divided by 2, which is half times half. So 4 is not equal to 1/4, so we can cross a out from that. So 2 times a half is 1, which is equal to 3 minus 2. 1 is equal to 1, so our answer is B. Next question. A function is defined by f of x equal to x in absolute value of x minus 2 minus 3. If f of a is equal to f of 0 and a is greater than 0, what is the value of a? All right, so you guys want to start off by finding f of 0. So f of 0 is equal to absolute value of 0 minus 2 minus 3. This is equal to minus 2 minus 3. And this is an absolute value. So f of 0 would be equal to negative 1. This will become positive, and f of 0 is equal to negative 1. We're not done yet. So if f of a is equal to f of 0, f of a is equal to f of 0, right? So we have a minus 2, because a comes under x, okay? And we have minus 3. We also have this equal to minus 1. So square root of, absolute value of a, so we have minus 2. We can bring this out, and we can, or instead of doing that, we can take minus 3 to the other side, still have this as 2, plus 2, and this is equal to 2. So we have this as plus 2, so we're not going to change it because it was in the absolute value. You take it to the other side, you get 4, so your answer is B. Okay, number 10. So this one is a bit complicated, but I will show you the easiest way to solve this. So here, since it's the reciprocal, we're going to multiply this with 4x in parentheses x plus 2. And because it's reciprocal, you're going to multiply it by, again, same thing, 4x in parentheses x plus 2. That is because it is multiplication, because reciprocal becomes division and multiplication. Now this would be equal to 4x, x plus 2, since we're just multiplying by 1 on the top, and on the bottom we would get x plus 2 plus 4x. Alright, since we're also multiplying by 1. So this would be equal to 4x squared plus 8x is over 5x plus 2. So answer option B is the correct answer. Problem number 11. All right, so we have this. So what we can do is we can make this into fraction powers. So how this would work is it's equal to a of n. We're trying to find n, not a, only n. So we can make this a 4 over 5 times a 2 over 3 is equal to a of n. Some of you guys are going to multiply the powers. Make sure you don't do that. Find the LCM. A 12 over 15 times a 10 over 15 is equal to a of n. So a of n is equal to a of 22 by 15. So n is equal to 22 by 15. So answer is C. All right, next question. So we have a state legislature is considering a new state income tax proposal. The equation where A is greater than M gives the proposed amount of income tax T dollars based on A dollars. The amount of income and M dollars, the maximum non-taxable income. Based on the equation, if there's a tax of 300 and on $30,000 of income, what is the maximum non-taxable income? So we're going to substitute values here. We know that T is equal to 300 and A is equal to 30,000. So this should be simple now that you know that you can simply substitute values. So we have the equation given up here. So our equation is, then once we substitute the values, we're going to have 300 is equal to 0.06 times 30,000 minus m. We're finding m. So just to get rid of the decimal, I'm going to multiply both sides by 100. And now we're going to get through 30,000 is equal to 30,000 minus m. So now we have this. So 300 is equal to 180,000 minus m. Oh yeah, this is 30,000 by the way. And hold up, I made a mistake here. Hold up. Let's just redo this. I made a mistake here. Alright, so 300 is equal to 0.06 30,000 minus m. Now 300. So 300 is equal to 30,000 times 0.6. So that is equal to times 0.06. 180. Okay, 18. So that should be 1,800. So 1,800 minus m. Now we have this. We're trying to find m. So minus m is going to be equal to minus 500. M is not equal to 500 though, because we substitute values in here, and then once we do the multiplication, our answer will be D. All right, next problem. 13. All right. This equation above estimates the total number of newspapers seen in thousands that were sold in the United States nth year of year 2000. The number 1158 in the equation above reaches the following estimates. So this is a problem where most people are going to get confused. So you can write this in slope-intercept form. Y is equal to negative 1158n. Remember that the slope is decreasing, so we know that, yeah, all of them have decreased, so we're not going to eliminate anything for now. And because we have to square this, because this was in the year of 2000, we're trying to double it because nth year after. So if you double that, you're supposed to get 1158,000. All right, now we have this, and now it's asking which is the following estimate. So we know it's not D because this isn't decreasing, only our slope should be decreasing. Same thing with C, we do not have this either. Our number is this, it's doubled, so we know C and D are eliminated. Our answer option is going to be B because every year the circulation decreases by 1,158,000 newspapers. So in 2001 and so on, it will start decreasing over and over again. So we're talking about 2001. Okay, next problem. This is a very simple problem actually. So we have A is equal to 55 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So we find E. E is congruent to B. So 55 plus 90 is equal to 145. And a triangle is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 145 is equal to 35. So if B is 35, then E is equal to 35 degrees. All right, next problem. This is also really easy. Grid questions are pretty easy. So because y is already the same and we just have to find x, we're just going to add to get rid of y. 6x is equal to 24 and x is equal to 4. All right, last two problems. This is a problem that also a lot of people get stuck on. A plus b by b. Since the denominator is b, we can do a over b plus b by b. All right, so we're trying to find this. This is equal to this. So if 2b is equal to 3a, let's find a over b. So let's bring b to this side. 2 is equal to 3a over b. 3 is the numerator here. Take it that way. It becomes the denominator. So 2/3 is equal to a over b. So 2/3, b over b is just 1 over 1, which is 1. So 1 over 1 is equal to 3 over 3, which is equal to 5/3. So your answer is 5/3. All right, last problem. So a publishing company ships hardcover textbooks in boxes that weighs 56 pounds each, and softcover workbooks in boxes that weigh 35 pounds each. A shipment going to several schools weighs 2,604 pounds total, contains 60 boxes. How many boxes of softcover books are in the shipment? So we know that heavy plus small is equal to 60 boxes. And we also know that the school orders, so we don't know how much they order yet for each type. So this is how much each type of book would weigh, and they ordered 2,604 pounds. So let's eliminate H because we need to know how many softcover workbooks. So if we eliminate H, we get 56H. Let's just put that here. We're multiplying by 56 to get rid of H, plus 56S is equal to 60 times 56. That is equal to 60, 30. So that's equal to 360. So 360. Now 35, so we're actually subtracting to get rid of these two. So this would be equal to minus 21s. And this would be equal to 360 minus 2604 is equal to 756 minus 756. So 756 divided by 21 is equal to 36. So there's our answer. Alright guys, so I hope this video helped you solve a couple of problems that you guys did not understand. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe.